Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to remove a reefer unit from a trailer safely and efficiently. Start by parking the trailer on level ground and chocking all 4 wheels firmly. Disconnect the battery at the master cutoff and wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Gather tools: 13mm to 19mm socket set, torque wrench, pry bar, hydraulic jack rated for 3,000 pounds, and lifting straps. Follow the manufacturer's service manual for unit weight and lifting points before proceeding. Confirm there are no pressurized refrigerant lines before disconnecting hoses. Begin by scheduling a partner to assist with lifting and disconnecting heavy components. Remove exterior panels using 13mm and 15mm sockets and store fasteners labeled by panel. Tag electrical connectors with tape and photograph wiring for correct reassembly. Evacuate refrigerant only using certified recovery equipment and a certified technician when required by law. Support the reefer with the hydraulic jack and use 2 lifting straps at manufacturer lifting points. Unbolt the mounting brackets with 17mm sockets and lower the unit slowly while guiding weight evenly and communicating during the lift. After lowering the reefer unit, inspect mounting brackets for cracks and measure bolt hole alignment. Replace any fasteners that show corrosion and use grade 8 bolts tightened to manufacturer torque. Cap refrigerant lines and plug electrical harnesses to prevent contamination and moisture ingress. Store the unit on padded blocks rated for the unit weight and cover with a weatherproof tarp. Update trailer service records with removal date, technician name, and the unit serial number. Recheck trailer braking and lights before returning the trailer to service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.